Namaste everyone. You are watching Amit Ghildiyal, and today we will talk about machine learning versus artificial intelligence. These two terms are often used interchangeably, but they do not mean the same thing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the broader concept. It refers to machines designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as reasoning, decision making, or understanding language. Machine learning, on the other hand, is a subset of artificial intelligence. In traditional AI systems, machines follow predefined rules created by humans. But in machine learning, machines learn directly from data, identify patterns, and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed for every situation. For example, a chatbot that answers fixed questions using rules is artificial intelligence. But a system that studies thousands of resumes and becomes better at shortlisting candidates over time, that system uses machine learning. So, the simplest way to remember this is artificial intelligence is the goal. Machine learning is one of the ways to achieve it. Today, most modern AI systems, including recommendation engines, predictions, and generative AI, are powered by machine learning. Understanding this distinction helps us use these technologies more effectively, not just as tools, but as strategic enablers for the future. Thank you.